camera is right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I already took something. So.
Look at my dining room, guys. It's so beautiful. It is stunning. Just look at that. This is the new home for this home.
Joshua.
Ah!
Joshua.
What?
This is not fit on my.
But you still have some few. And my glasses being
Head too big.
also my glasses.
Just let it sit on top.
Oh, I want.
Head too big.
Let me.
Excuse me.
Let me have one.
You want one? Here. Put this on. Yeah, it can fit your head.
It's fitting my big old head.
My big old head.
What?
Continue to put on.
Excuse me.
Watch out, white. Ball hat.
I was thinking it would be cute.
Oh, that dumb thing in the way.
It would be cute if this stuff was facing that way and you can be like fall and then you see the Christmas stuff over there. You seen any of these here, Mom?
Oh man, bed is sick, yo. Unfortunately. Peach cobbler. Hey guys, welcome back to a vlog. Another one. It is 12:32 a.m. I have been sick, but Hubs has to go out. So I am prepping him some food for the road. I'm going to smother some of these. He prefers brown rice. I put that in the rice water. I'm sorry, I'm so hoarse. And he got me these silicone pans to bake with. So I'll be making him some egg bites. I'll whip it up, put the egg in there with onions, peppers, and some type of meat, and then he can warm them up on the truck. So that'll be breakfast. This will be lunch and dinner. So that's what I'm doing. And I gotta get going. Let me take this off because I have to wash my rice. But, alright, let's get into the vlog. Alright, popping you guys back in. I have some of the meat cut up. There's some onions I'm gonna add to the egg batter. Those are the meatballs. They're done. I have them turned off. The oven is counting down brown rice. And I'm not sure he washed that, so I'm gonna wash it. But I'm gonna take I think 7 eggs to fill this 12 pack. Let me stop talking because I'm hoarse and it's not helping. In the morning, they are done. Had like a few. I'm gonna take them out now, and I taste it, and it's really good. Okay, what I love, I didn't use any oil. And you can pop them right out and they don't stick. And I taste this one and that was very good. So if you want it a little fuller, we use 8 eggs and try a silicone pan.
Making light dinner due to my cold. I didn't want anything heavy.
Hey, one of you guys emailed me about what was in my Texas Roadhouse gift basket that Hubs brought me. I wasn't going to open it, but I think I can get it open without destroying it. Right on top, there's a tree ornament of bread. Super cute. Get their seasoning, rib seasoning, and he gets me gift baskets every year, so I do use this. You've seen this in my seasoning. Here is the steak sauce. I've been out of that, so I'm glad to get more. Here is the steak seasoning. A pack of their famous peanuts. And I have another bag as well. And then you get all of these free appetizer cards to use throughout the year. Let me see, I think it's 12. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, you get 12 of these. And then, well, of course, this bucket. And then the gift card to Don. He ended up buying a $500 package. So, we have put the gift cards up, but, yeah, so that's that. Ta-da. I love this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the tree. basket of red.